YouTube, it is your girl Brinks, and I am coming to you guys with some more Vlogmas. So I'm actually not counting right now, so you guys will see kind of what the numbers of the Vlogmas videos are, kind of by the titles. Excuse me, because you guys know your girl is starting early, and since I'm pretty much on a roll right now, yeah, I don't know what number I'm on right now. So I have kind of just been showing you guys kind of snippets of like what I'm doing right now. I'm kind of on DIYs for my living room trees. So for the most part, I am going to do the DIYs for the trees separately, rather than showing you guys what the actual tree is going to look like, because I feel like the tree should actually be included with the living room reveals. Just for the fact that the living room is kind of revealed with it's like one of the last rooms. So I don't want to show that as like one of the first things, even though that's kind of one of the first rooms that I'm working on, so to say. Um, so with that being said, y'all, I am trying to um although I am knocking the living room out in a way kind of first, um I don't want to kind of display it first, if that makes sense. Um So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys kind of the DIYs for the trees, but I'm not going to show you guys the finished product of the trees, if that makes sense, until the living room is fully finished. So you're getting kind of what the ornaments are going to look like. You guys are getting like unboxing videos for like my other tree ornaments. And then you guys are going to see like DIY for that one, because I am going to be doing the tree skirt for that one. Um as well. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be combining the tree skirt video and this one together, because depending on how long and how short I can make these snippets in the beginning of this video, um depending on if I put it in the beginning of this video or at the back of this video, it just kind of depends, you guys. Then we can kind of see how it goes from there. But if I can make it short enough, I will include the tree skirt DIY for this tree as well. If you didn't know, you guys, I am doing an autism tree in reference to TK. If you guys did not know, yes, TK was diagnosed with autism at age 2. So, and he's been on the spectrum ever since that diagnosis. He does currently attend an autism school here in Ohio, where we live. So, and he loves it. Smaller classrooms, specialized education plans, unique to his learning abilities. He's learning ahead of his grade level. Highly intelligent, you guys. Just the best loving kid ever, you guys. More than any mom could hope for. Love of my life, you guys know this. But so I just thought of this like out of nowhere, because I knew that I wanted to do something colorful this year and something kind of meaningful. And I decided that I was going to do two trees. So I was going to incorporate my gold tree and my silver tree in the living room. Um, one in one corner and then the other one like right across from it. So I'm going to be doing the gold tree with the autism, and then I'm going to be doing the silver tree with butterflies and flowers. So they're both colorful, and then I'm going to kind of bring them together in the rest of the living room decor. So this should be interesting to see how I bring this together, you guys. So just stay tuned for like this overall look, cuz yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to make that work. I'm still trying to figure that out. But like I said, it should be interesting. I feel like I can make it work. I feel like I can do it. Other than that, you guys, I feel like it's doable. Because puzzle pieces are colorful, butterflies are colorful. Um, but yeah, so it should work. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the snippets of how I did these ornaments for his tree. Um, and just kind of let me know what you guys think. It was a complete DIY process. Um, and yeah, like I said, if it is video is not long enough, my goal is 15 minutes. So if it's shorter than 15 minutes, the tree skirt process will be included. If it's not, that will be a totally separate video. Um, but yeah, just stay tuned, you guys. And it may include a voiceover, it may not. All right, y'all. So this tree skirt is actually a tree skirt I got from Walmart last year. It is just a plain red tree skirt. Now, red is one of the autism colors, um, puzzle colors for on the spectrum. So what I did was the same puzzle pieces that I wound up using in the
Seriously, mommy.
the same puzzle pieces that I used on TK's. Sheesh.
Bruh.
On TK's ornaments that I created. I turned around and I used those same puzzle pieces to create this. And we are just going to pretty much be applying this to we are just going to be applying this to the tree skirt. So I found this rainbow um vinyl, and I'm going to be using this, and we are just going to be putting this on fabric, putting this on the heat pressing this on, y'all, to the tree skirt. And I do like to save leftover what you call them, if I can. So I'm just going to be cutting this out. So we got 2 perfectly shaped puzzle pieces. And then we do also have to, I don't even want to peel that part off. I know I do. I got to. I thought this part was going to give me problems, but it's not. Perfect. Puzzle piece. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and get all my puzzle pieces together. And then I also did, I don't know if you guys noticed like all of the phrases in here. So TK actually came up with all of these phrases by himself. So that's what makes this so much more special. That says the same thing. That makes this so much more special. Because I basically let him pick out everything that we were going to be putting on the puzzle pieces. And it kind of ties everything together. And like, I am just loving it, y'all. He did so good. I just said, you just need to come up with I am phrases. And he just started giving me I am phrases and took off with them. So we came up with 12 of them, and I had 24 puzzle pieces. And I just put them on it double. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish peeling these, you guys, and I will be right back. The tree skirt, and this is what it's looking like. Alright, y'all, so stay tuned for the tree review. I'm coming soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you look forward to seeing other videos. These are so easy to do when you just want to recreate like your own tree skirt. If you can't find something that's particular to your liking, and just want to do something along the lines of your own theme. Like I said, I am going to be doing one specific for my butterfly theme as well, using my Cricut. And then I will be showing you guys kind of what that one will look like as well. I don't know if I'm going to do any 3D butterflies on that one. I did think about doing that because I'm going to have more than enough to do so. Only thing with that one is once I start putting presents and everything up under it, I don't want the like 3D butterflies to possibly get smashed. So that's my dilemma with doing that on that tree skirt. But it's definitely a possibility, y'all. Definitely a possibility. Just stay tuned for for that DIY. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for that DIY and the whole living room reveal coming soon. Until next time, you guys. See ya.